Hello guys, this is Paulina. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick review of the lip gloss that I got recently from fashion designer Ontavia Roulette. So this is the lip gloss that I got. Take a look at the iridescence and the glitter that is inside of this gloss. Here is even a closer look on my macro lens. I'm recently into the green color, so this lip gloss resonates with me right now so much. If you open a lip gloss, the wand will look like this. I was opening the lip gloss so slowly because I could see that the lip gloss tube will not hold the wand pretty tightly, meaning that a lot of the product will stay on the wand, and I was just afraid that the lip gloss will be all over the place. But the consistency of it is very thick. You can tell while I'm applying it onto my hand. So the lip gloss didn't run away and stayed in place. And I love the green shimmer about it. I love that the lip gloss has glitter in it, and I love that it's not too much in there, which I'm sure will look beautiful and interesting on the lips. Here I'm using my macro lens, and I was hoping that it can catch all of the shimmer and glitter going on, because in reality it looks even prettier. Let's go ahead and jump into swatches on my lips. I don't have anything on my lips except for some traces of the lip balm, and the lip gloss is applying very smoothly, and I love that it doesn't have stickiness. This is something I hate about lip products, but this one makes my lips moisturized and so shiny without giving me this sticky feeling. You can't tell the green shimmer on my lips, but it's definitely there. It's just my camera that doesn't catch it. I was hoping my macro lens will catch it, but still no result, unfortunately. So I decided to apply a lip liner which is close to my lip shade, and you see how much better the green sheen is visible right now. I love it. As for the ingredients, this lip gloss is infused with vitamin E oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and castor oil, so your lips will be moisturized and protected for a long time. So the gloss plays much better when you have a lip liner on. And also, I don't think if you could tell, but I can see some blue particles in it. Some macro again for you to see the sheen and shimmer and glitter. So beautiful. Yeah, definitely I can see more blue sheen to it, which makes it even cooler. Then I decided to use the dark lipstick as the base for the lip gloss, and this is another way of wearing it. Since the base is dark, you can see that the lip gloss opens up even better, and the green sheen and glitter is visible even better and prettier. I love how it turned out, and I love that there is so many ways of wearing this lip gloss. I think you can wear this lip gloss on the eyes as well, for example for some editorial work, and I will definitely try it out since the lip gloss is not runny and will stay in place. And look at this macro, oh my god. Oh, and this lip gloss retails at $16 on Ontavia Roulette website, which I will link down below if you are interested. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for stopping by. I really hope you enjoyed it, and see you all guys soon. Bye bye.